cómo quedó esto todo, Pereira.
Vámonos que esto está te va a caer, güey.
Mira, mira. Creo que no va a haber iglesia otro día. Oh,
Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you find this video informative, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real events and safety awareness. But first, let's learn what to do to stay safe when an earthquake strikes.
Miren cómo se cayó ese edificio, estaba lleno de gente. Miren eso.
During an earthquake, stay calm and remember, drop, cover, and hold on. Get down, take cover under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on until the shaking stops. Stay away from windows, glass, and heavy objects that could fall. If you are outdoors, move to an open area away from buildings, trees, and power lines. On August 10th, a powerful 7.4 magnitude earthquake struck western Colombia, unleashing violent shaking and widespread destruction. Buildings collapsed, roads were damaged, and people became trapped beneath the rubble. As rescuers raced against time, every second became a fight for survival. The earthquake was centered near San Jose del Palmar in Chaco, hundreds of kilometers from Bogota, but the powerful shaking was felt across a huge area of Colombia. Cali, Pereira and Manizales were among the areas reporting serious damage, with collapsed structures and damaged homes creating dangerous conditions for residents and rescuers. The earthquake struck early Monday morning, with reports placing the epicenter near San Jose del Palmar in Chaco, while powerful shaking was felt across a huge part of Colombia. In Pereira, the shaking was especially frightening. Buildings swayed violently, walls cracked, ceilings fell, and residents rushed outside as the ground continued moving beneath them. Across the hardest hit areas, structures collapsed or suffered serious damage. Rescue teams quickly began checking buildings where people could still be trapped beneath the rubble. Aftershocks remained a serious concern. Residents were warned that damaged buildings could become even more dangerous if additional shaking caused weakened structures to collapse.
Until inspections could be completed.
Colombia now faces a long recovery. Beyond rescuing survivors, authorities must assess thousands of damaged structures, provide shelter, restore services, and help communities rebuild. Reports showed that hundreds of buildings were damaged or destroyed, while roads, homes and public infrastructure were affected across several communities. Hospitals and emergency services faced intense pressure as hundreds of injured people needed medical attention while rescuers continued searching through dangerous ruins. This earthquake is a powerful reminder that disasters can happen without warning and that every second matters. Stay calm, move to a safe open area when possible, avoid damaged buildings, fallen power lines, and unstable structures, and follow official emergency instructions. Never return to a damaged building until authorities confirm it is safe. Preparedness, awareness, and quick but careful decisions can save lives.